This event is called Honoring the Delaware River, Our Heart Vessel. And the river is the vessel that's of the heartbeat. It protects and nourishes and heals everything that goes through this area. Our intention is to honor it and to connect the people and all the living beings to this river and recognize how interdependent we are. These ceramic vessels were created for this event, filled with the prayers and the blessings and the whispers of the people who are coming. And then all those prayers and intentions and good thoughts are going to go and be poured into Watson Creek, which is then going to flow eventually into the Delaware River. And the water will take all of our blessings and hopefully magnify them and give more protection to the water. Barbara Saquec, a shaman from Guatemala, who comes from an area called Lake Atitlan, which is a very big sacred lake. She will do a river blessing.
La hermana Talia quiere que se hace acción de gracia porque sabemos que hay mucha basura, mucho químico y eso la que daña el agua. Invitaron a personas para que haya fuerza de pedir que esté bien el agua y que haya abundancia. Acción de gracia es agradecer al Creador y Formador del universo. Entonces agradecemos para que ellos nos escuchan y sabemos que sí hay bendición, hay milagro para el agua.
And same with the Lenape here. Lenape women do river blessings for the Delaware River.
I am giving a prayer today about honoring the water. We'll be able to do it in a circle because with a circle there's no beginning and there's no end, and the Creator is in the center.
The intent is to bring the energy of that level of consciousness, of respect, of gratitude, of deep love and caring to all that's around us so that we feel more connected to this land, more connected to the water inside us and the water of this land.